The Firefighter Air Replenishment System provides firefighters with the ability to refill self-contained breathing apparatus throughout a building, eliminating the need to carry replacement air bottles up many flights of stairs when fighting high-rise fires. A FARS installation consists of a Cascade air storage system, an exterior fire department mobile air connection, emergency airfill panels, and interconnections to the building's fire alarm system. If required by local jurisdiction, Rupture containment airfill stations may also be utilized. The Cascade air storage system provides firefighters with the ability to attack the fire, conduct search and rescue, and refill their SCBAs prior to the arrival of the fire department mobile air unit. The system consists of a series of air storage cylinders, booster pumps, and an air storage panel. The air storage panel provides a mobile air unit pressure gauge, a system pressure gauge, an air quality readout, a bypass control switch, and cylinder isolation controls. The system is permanently installed in a secure fire-rated room at the ground or basement level. When a fire department's mobile air unit arrives, it can feed air to the FARS system using the fire department mobile air connection located in a locked box mounted on the exterior of the building or in a freestanding pedestal. Firefighters connect the mobile air unit to the FARS system using the connection provided on the panel. The mobile air unit crew sets the correct pressure with the fill control valve and uses the selector switch to bypass the Cascade air storage system as needed. Firefighters can immediately refill their air bottles under full respiration using the emergency airfill panels located throughout the building. The panels are typically mounted inside a fire-rated stairwell and installed 2 to 3 floors apart in high-rise structures. The airfill panels contain a system pressure gauge, a fill control valve, and air bottle connection hoses. There is also a valve that allows firefighters to isolate the FARS system from upper or lower floors if necessary. Firefighters can connect at least 2 air bottles to the panel for simultaneous rapid bottle refill in 2 minutes or less while worn by firefighters. The FARS system is connected to the building's fire alarm panel to provide signaling in the event of an incident. The electrical components must be connected to emergency power. The Firefighter Air Replenishment System benefits firefighters, building owners, and occupants, freeing firefighters from carrying replacement air tanks to focus on what they do best, protecting property and saving lives.